All right, so just bought this. Probably should not have. They had a deal where you could buy a 5 amp hour battery and a charger kit for $89 and get a free power tool, which would be different things. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 impact driver, similar to this kind of look. Um, let's see, what else did they have? Um, Angle grinders, sawzalls, drills, a couple of other types of things. But of course, the store had none of those in stock. So, because what you could either do is you could buy this kit for $159, or there's a smaller impact, which I think is more manageable. This thing's actually very big. There's a smaller impact that you can buy, and it's claiming 400 foot-pounds. If it really puts out 400 foot-pounds, there isn't anything that it won't work on. So, realistically, I probably, since that one's not covered, I probably could have just bought an extra one along with this um, to test them against each other. And I guess I still could because I haven't left the store. But the other tool is like $44 or $49 or something like that. So it would be nice to have a high power, smaller one. So anyway, I want to put this to the test. I'm sure it doesn't have 1,000 foot-pounds breakaway torque, but if you can't get something off that's, on a truck or whatever, I mean, like, how many foot-pounds do you need? So basically, I'm hoping this is even half of what it's advertised as. I really do want the smaller one, though. This is really big. But since I have bought this one, I should be able to actually buy the smaller one too, and just make them both work. So I'm debating whether I just go back in the store and buy the smaller one also, or maybe go to the other store and buy another battery and get a free 3/8 one that looks like this. Choices, choices, choices. Anyway, I'll let you guys know how this pans out. We'll catch you later.